Rock 'em on, birdie, down and down.
Rock 'em on, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it.
It's gonna fly.
Rock 'em on, baby, scratching it.
Yeah, but move your finger.
Scratchy, scratchy, scratch.
Oh, it's so cute.
My hand's all dirty. Mine's
That's a weird bird. Hamna, yeah.
It only has 2 claws. Rock 'em up, bird.
Maybe he got used to us now.
No.
Then why the heck is it doing that? Oh, looking at the camera.
The heck?
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smile for the camera. Oh, get it. Oh, come on.
No. Whoa. Again with the...
Right now, what? Ah!
No, down there.
No!
Oh.
It's alright. There, go.
What the D? Oh.
It's next to the bread!
Next to the bread.
He just right there hanging in the door. Hey, get right here. You hold this. I mean, the 7. Where is it? Right there.
Oh. Over here.
Got you, Milker. And now I'm for a ritual.
Gabriel better not eat it.
Wait.
Hung.
What are we gonna put this in?
Dunk.
Ah.
Zoink.
That's the quad power, right?
Yeah. Wee. Stop. No, do it.
This is an epic bird catch. And we cut it with the old style one time.
Serious? Ouch!
Oh, wait, leave it there in the bright light. Wait, go up. Ah!
No, I got it.
Put him right there in the bright light. That's
No,
right.
I'm just... Hey, put it in there.
You know where?
No. Okay, stop the video.